Hi everyone.
Hi everybody.
Today we are bringing you a super easy guide on how to pack an on-the-go survival kit for your toddler. So we want to know you're here. Let us know by commenting and tell us what your favorite on-the-go kit is for your toddler, what you use to survive, traveling and going places with your toddler. And today 5 lucky winners will be walking away with an awesome Sprout prize pack.
Well, let us tell you a little bit about Moms Meet if you haven't joined us before. I'm Lauren, this is Chrissy, and we are both project managers at Moms Meet. And Moms Meet is a large online community made up of dads, moms, grandparents, caretakers, all passionate about learning from one another, coming together to talk about better for you products and parenting resources. So it's a great community, and one of our best resources is the Mom Ambassador Program. So you can actually try better for you products for free, share them with your mom friends, and then share your feedback with the brands. So if you're not already a member, hop on over to momsmeet.com. We'd love to have you join us. So this Facebook Live today is brought to you by Sprout, makers of great organic food and snack options that will help expand your baby's palate early on, which is super important. And during the event, we have representatives from Sprout on hand to respond to your questions and comments. So anything you want to know, feel free to ask them. And you do know we love our giveaways on our Facebook Live. So today 5 will win a Sprout prize pack with an assortment of toddler snacks, perfect for your new toddler on-the-go survival kit. So again, let us know, comment, let us know that you're here, and tell us what you would put in your on-the-go toddler survival kit. What do you recommend? What are your must-haves and go-to items? So again, comment on, like, and share the video for your chance to win, and we'll be announcing the winners tomorrow.
And we actually had some moms write in before today talking about what they packed, so we wanted to share some with you. Mallory B had mentioned that she packed snacks, juice and water, toys, books, wipes, change of clothes, and shoes. So she's good for Armageddon. Yeah. And then also a first aid kit is huge as well.
And Rima S said tons of snacks, the first aid kit, her son's Benadryl and EpiPen, water, fruit pouches, a couple diapers and wipes, extra change of clothes, and a couple favorite toys.
And Samantha wrote in and wrote that she brings wipes, crayons, and small coloring books, snacks, kiddo fork and spoon, and a change of pants. So if there's any common theme, it's the snacks, right? We all know that is the main part of the survival guide. I know, I've come into situations where I've forgotten food, and it's like, pull over, we're going to the local store and getting snacks.
It's not a pretty sight when you forget the snacks.
So today, like we said, we're going to talk to you about the survival kit, but we are going to share with you what we bring with us. So our children are about the same ages. We both have a boy and a girl. So Lauren, let's hear what we also have the same bag, which is very ironic.
Funny. We didn't realize
that.
No. Well, first of all, I love these size bags because so my son is older and he's in kindergarten, and now he's got a backpack, and so my daughter wants one as well. So I feel like now we're phasing out of that diaper bag thing, so now I can actually, as long as I don't pack too much, I can have her carry this. So it's one less thing for me to have to keep track of or to have to carry. So she loves this, and I just throw a ton of stuff in there. So it's kind of if we're going out on a little day trip or a little, just 20 minutes outside the house to run errands. So I try to keep this packed and ready, just with a few essentials. So obviously a toy or just something comforting. And she sleeps with this at night sometimes. So I like to kind of keep it with us just in case, we have a longer afternoon plan. If she wants to take a nap, she's got something comforting to her. This book that we read probably about 50 times a day, I could say this in my sleep. It's a really cute book, but I think anything that, pictures that will keep them occupied and, so that, and then of course, change of clothes, whether they're indoors and outdoors. They spill something, they fall in the mud or the rain. I feel like it's, always an essential. Wipes for messes. Hand wipes, especially if you're outside and or you go to a museum or you go on public transportation or any place. It's just good to have these on hand. The ever-present water bottle or sippy cup, and for her there has to be a fun character.
Peppa Pig. I love it.
And then I try to keep like a little bag just in case
that's smart.
Like wet diaper or messy clothes or socks or something like that. What else do I have in here? Diaper, we're kind of entering the potty training phase, so extra underwear. And then snacks.
Yeah.
Whether they're for you or for them, I just feel like snacks are just, you know, a huge thing. So I've got some carrots, some apples, pretzels in here.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really all about snacks. Let's be honest.
Yeah.
It's probably the most sought after item in here.
So yeah, and I love the idea of bringing a bag for the soiled stuff for their dirty diapers, because I've had many occasions where I've forgotten that there's a dirty diaper in my bag, and we're all like, what does that smell?
I know.
So that is huge. So my bag is mostly similar. You're more prepared than I am, but so again, we have the same bag. And this is great because she can carry it by herself. I'm loving that I'm like sort of transitioning out of that diaper bag phase. So always a water bottle, right? We always have that. Yeah, it's the Camelback one is awesome. She, you know, we can fill it up wherever we go. And then always a snack. So I love the squeezies because they're easy to pack, and then, you know, she can feed herself. Right. We always have some sort of pretzel or, you know, like a hard snack. Yeah. And then always wipes too. This is good for my son too. You know, if they're really out eating or anything. Of course. I'm starting to enter that like one diaper phase, which is great. Unless we're out for like an entire day, I'll pack a couple. But if we're just going out for a couple minutes, and she probably won't need it. I know. I never thought the day would come where I didn't have to bring the entire pack of diapers with me. And then change of clothes. Obviously, I always try to pack like multiple pairs of pants just in case there's an accident or she falls. Or, and then I also am really big on bringing books or activities for the car. I'm not going to lie, sometimes I will resort to screen time, but if I don't want to do that, this was my son's favorite. It's actually like a whiteboard marker book, so you can draw in it and then wipe it out. So that keeps her occupied. Yeah. And then I try to pack stuff for my son too. So he's 6, so you know, the action figures, the cars. That's pretty much it. Really just making sure the essentials, you know, always a diaper. I've had plenty. I think I was telling you when I first had my daughter, I was out of the phase of diaper bags with my son, and we brought her over to my parents' house, and she, you know, had a dirty diaper, and we were both like, oh my gosh, we forgot the diaper bag. Like, we didn't even think to remember to bring it. So now, like, I am better at remembering. But there's always a story that you can pop into, you know, if you forget something.
Yeah. No, I've been out and about and I've forgotten an extra change of clothes when she has some kind of incident. And I pushed her home in the stroller wearing just a diaper. So, you know, it happens. So. But,
you know, it's always nice too when you're out with other moms. Like, we all get it. I think at one point when my son was younger, a stranger, had no idea who I was or who she was, gave me her son's shorts. And I was like, do you want them back? She's like, no, you can keep them. But like, you know, we're a community. It takes a village, right?
We're all in this journey together, so.
So, you know, like we said, some of the crucials are the change of clothes, the diapers, the toys, a sippy cup, Band-Aids, things like that.
And you probably noticed in some of our audience members' comments and then our own, it's all about the snacks.
It sure is. It's the common theme. When all else fails.
Yeah, when all else fails, at least you've got the snacks.
We'll be like going home from dinner, and I'm like, do you guys want snacks?
I know, it's constant. It really is. If you forget anything else, if you've got the snacks, you're covered. So you should always try to have something healthy on hand, I feel like, and you know, you try your best with that. You know, I try with the fruits and the vegetables, or like the pretzels or the granola. Always a good idea. But we recently came across something that will really up your toddler snack game for your kids. So these are the Sprout Organic crispy chews, and they're wonderful. I mean, they're, as you can see, so easy to pack in in your bag. So we love them. And you know, again, really great essential item for your On-The-Go Survival Kit.
Yeah, and we love Sprouts. Their mission is to provide premium organic foods and snacks for babies and toddlers. And it also helps us as parents raise healthy and adventurous eating kids. And their products are designed to expand your baby's palate. So, you know, a lot of like snacks and stuff these days that's easy to pack are filled with sugar and preservatives. And so this helps, you know, develop your baby's palate so they're not like craving that sugar, which is great. And it also helps them establish establish a love for the nutritional foods early on. Yeah,
absolutely. So let's tell you a little bit more about what we learned about this brand and these snacks in particular and why we love them so much. So they're made with a full serving of real fruits and vegetables, which is amazing. Because if you're trying to incorporate both in your baby's diet, you know, you feel like you have to pack so much. You have to pack a separate fruit, separate vegetable. So this combines it in one. So all in one kind of snack. They're chewy and crispy, so it's enjoyable for your toddlers to eat. And you'll see they're perfect size, so your little finger is kind of learning to self-feed. So it's a great idea for that. Available in the clear pouch packaging and these single portion sizes, which are great. And they're gluten-free and non-GMO, which is awesome.
Yeah, that's huge. And we also love that there's no sugar added, right? So there's no preservatives or anything artificial. They're USDA certified organic. You know, all the attributes that we love about products here at Mom's Meet. They were the winner of the 2018 National Parenting Product Award, which is huge. And then they come in 2 flavors. So the one that we have here is the organic red fruit, beet, and berry, and then the orchard fruit and carrot. So, you know, as Lauren mentioned, it's got servings of vegetables and fruit in there for your little ones. And we actually loved it too. So Lauren's going to try it today. So if you're like me, when your toddler's eating a snack and they look the other way, you sneak a snack. So, you know, yeah, they're really great for an on-the-go snack. They can fit in your bag very easily. So to buy them, you can go to momsmeet.link/sprout. So if you go there, you can purchase the products. Remember to keep liking and sharing and commenting for your chance to win. And again, tell us what you pack on the go. If there's anything different than, you know, what Lauren and I have here, we want to hear your ideas. So make sure you comment to win. And thanks for joining us today.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
These are great.